Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best guitar is probably one of the most rewarding instruments a child can learn. For kids aged 9 to 12, the journey into music with a guitar can be incredibly exciting. This video will guide you through selecting the perfect guitar, ensuring it's the right size, type, and quality to foster a love for music and set them on a path to musical success. Let's explore the world of guitars for young aspiring musicians. Number 5. Best Choice Products 39 inches Electric Guitar Starter Kit. This complete kit includes everything you need to start playing. It comes with an amplifier, carrying case, extra strings, a pick, whammy bar, and a shoulder strap. It's all ready to go right out of the box. This electric guitar set is designed for both beginners and intermediate players. It's custom designed and handcrafted to convert vibrations into an electric sound. You can start playing right away. The guitar features a quality paint finish and custom black tuning pegs. It has accented binding for a sophisticated look. This design makes it stand out. Experiment with different music styles with adjustable sound settings. The tremolo bridge system allows you to bend the pitch. You can also use the removable whammy bar. It's handcrafted with a composite fretboard and maple neck. The guitar converts vibrations into a rich sound. It includes 3 single-coil pickups and a tremolo bridge system. What we like? This electric guitar kit is an all-in-one package, which means you get everything you need to start playing right away. It has a custom design with a sleek look. If you are a beginner who wants to dive right in without extra purchases, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want to experiment with different music styles. What people say. After a setup that I prepared, very satisfied with the guitar and small amplifier. Once I get these set up, I was very impressed at the playability and intonation of these great inexpensive instruments. Amp sounds good, and the guitar feels good. Number 4. Pyle 36 Beginner Acoustic Guitar Kit. This all-in-one acoustic guitar set from Pyle has everything you need to start playing. It includes a gig bag, tuner, spare strings, picks, and a cleaning cloth. It's perfect for anyone starting their musical journey. This junior scale guitar is perfect for lessons, recitals, or practicing at home. Its classic body style is great for beginners and children. It makes learning guitar easier and more enjoyable. The guitar features a handcrafted construction with a linden wood body and a dyed maple wood fretboard. The high-gloss finish and protective binding ensure its durability. This instrument is built to last and sound great. This acoustic stringed instrument kit is excellent for beginners. Everything you need to start playing is included. It's a great way to introduce yourself or your child to the world of music. The guitar is 36 inches long with a scale length of 22.8 inches. It has 18 frets and a linden wood body. This guitar is designed to provide a comfortable and enjoyable playing experience. What we like? This acoustic guitar is designed in a junior scale size, perfect for young learners. It features handcrafted construction with quality materials. If you are looking for a smaller guitar that's easy to handle and play, especially for kids, this is a great option. It's ideal for lessons, recitals, or just practicing at home. What people say. It's perfect size for her and easy to tune. This is well made, holds a tune, once bedded in, majorly important for kids that may not be able to properly tune themselves at first. Great action, superb intonation up and down the frets, all in all a great little guitar for the price. Plus you get a nifty little tuner, spare strings, plectrums, and a strap. Number 3. Best Choice Products 30 inches Kids Electric Guitar. Introducing the perfect guitar for young aspiring musicians. This guitar is designed specifically for beginners, allowing them to start learning at an early age. They can easily switch to a full-sized model as they grow. This guitar features a single-coil pickup, which converts string vibrations into a rich, electric rock tone. It ensures consistent sound and high-quality jam sessions. The sound quality is amazing. Built with an all-wood build and a shiny finish, this guitar is designed to look and play just like a standard-sized one. It's made for long-lasting use, so it can withstand the test of time. This complete kit includes everything a beginner needs. The set comes with a gig bag, extra strings, a guitar strap, a cloth, and extra picks. Everything is included, so they can start playing right away. The kit also includes a 5-watt, battery-operated amplifier. It comes with a plug-in cable to connect to the guitar, strengthening the pickup signals and magnifying the music. It's a great way to amplify the sound. What we like. This electric guitar is perfectly sized for beginners, making it easier for them to learn. It is designed with an all-wood build and shiny finish. If you have a young child who is just starting to learn guitar, this is a great choice. It's designed to be comfortable and easy to play for smaller hands. What people say. It looks and sounds like the real deal, just a miniature version. The amp is also functional, meaning you can turn it up, down, and hear it pretty well. You can tune it like a real guitar. It is very durable. Overall, zero complaints on build quality and sound, but would definitely take the time to adjust it out of the box. The guitar itself is surprisingly well put together, but of course it's not comparable to some other high-end guitars. It's a nice size for young beginners, and it at least has the illusion of being official looking. Number 2. Loog Mini Acoustic Guitar for Beginners. This is the Loog Mini, designed specifically for children aged 3 and up. It's an award-winning 3-string guitar, making learning easier and more fun for kids. They'll feel a sense of accomplishment as they start playing. The Loog Mini is approved by educators and designed to make learning guitar accessible. It's built with real wood and features a design perfect for small hands. The low string action and nylon strings provide a beautiful classical guitar sound. With the Loog Mini, kids can learn the basics and then transition to any guitar. The design encourages them to keep playing and learning. They will develop a love for music. This guitar comes with chord flashcards and free video lessons. It also includes full access to the Loog Guitar app, available on iOS and Android. This allows them to learn at their own pace. The Loog Mini is a real guitar, specially designed for young children. It's made with real wood and features perfect intonation. It's the perfect instrument for any aspiring musician. What we like. This guitar features a unique 3-string design, which makes learning much easier and faster. It comes with a learning app and lessons. If you are looking for a guitar that simplifies the learning process and keeps kids engaged, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for young children who are just starting out. What people say. Great size for a child. It is the perfect size and comes with flashcards and an app to download to learn to play. The Loog is a great way to get kids started into music. They can play many songs with just one finger chords, which makes it easy for them to feel highly accomplished and that they are making music right from the start. Number 1. Pyle 34 Junior Acoustic Guitar Kit. This all-in-one acoustic guitar set has everything you need to start playing. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced guitarists looking to create warm, vibrant acoustics. It's a great way to start your musical journey. The guitar features a beautiful hand-rubbed varnish with a matte finish. It's ideal for lessons, recitals, band rehearsals, or just practicing at home. The finish not only looks great but also enhances the instrument's sound. The guitar has a traditional body style with a handcrafted linden plywood top, back, and sides. It includes a high-density man-made wood fingerboard and bridge. The matte finish extends to the body, neck, and headstock. The kit comes with a storage gig bag, spare strings, a detachable nylon shoulder strap, a cleaning cloth, and picks. This ensures you have everything you need to start playing right away. It's ready to go out of the box. The total length is 34 inches, with a scale length of 22.9 inches. It features a headstock made of okame and a fingerboard made of high-density man-made wood. The strings are made of steel alloy, and it has 20 frets. What like? This acoustic guitar comes as a complete set, including everything you need to start playing. It features steel strings and a hand-rubbed varnish with a matte finish. If you like the feel of steel strings and want a guitar with a classic look, this is a great choice. It's ideal for both beginners and experienced players. What people say. This is small enough for a kid or beginner trying to get used to working the fretboard. Packaged nicely, sounds fairly decent keeping in mind not the full sound of a dreadnought or however you spell that. The guitar tuned up right away and plays like a dream. Sound quality is comparable to more expensive guitars. The string action is perfect and there was no fret buzz. All frets on the guitar 1 to 20 ring clear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.